First of all, I am going to show you this website. Now guys, don't judge, no judging, okay? Are we clear? No judging. I did this site as a demo for you in less than an hour. I want to go back and obviously make it beautiful, but there's the opening page. So there's my title, about my USP, what happens in the site, my logo, etc. Limited time offers, big call to action button. There's what you can get, order now. This clicks through to my WhatsApp. I will include links to individual ones so that they can particularly link to an individual one. But remember, I did this in less than an hour. Then I deal with essential oils for each type of situation, solution, and order now. So there's lots of learning, lots of information, lots of how this helps. Can you see that? Easy to see. I'm just scrolling down this website. Then we get to why choose this. So I'm talking about Young Living, why you need Young Living. There's a link there to their website and what others have to say. There's some testimonials, and then organically well oiled, contact us, direct link to WhatsApp, link to Facebook and Instagram. Now, what more do you think I want than that little situation? So let's go and look at this in Canva. So when you go into Canva, can you see there's website? Have you ever clicked on that link? Most of us don't look around enough and we're not curious enough. You would go there to create a new website, but I'm going to take you to the one that I've just shown you as it sits on Canva. So this is already published, but you can still go and edit design, and you just have to publish the website. If you find a spelling mistake, or like I'm now going to edit this website, I can go in and go and click anywhere and edit. But you can go to templates and you go and search a website template. Look how many there are. You go and look at a template, put a template in there, start changing the elements. By the way, a very important thing I forgot to mention to you. If you have not done your brand kit on Canva, go and do that first. Because any design you go to that you want to bring your brand kit in, you click on the brand kit and that design is imported to your document. So I've got 3 different brand kits. So it doesn't matter which one I'm working on, my colors are saved and my fonts are saved. Brand kit is only available on the Pro version. But go and set it up. It makes life incredible. Knowing that you've got your brand kit in there, you've then got your fonts, you've got your colors. Let's go and edit and we can see what happens here. So now you get just like your normal Canva thing. You've got space to add headings. You can go to elements. You can change the elements. You can import your own pictures. These were uploads. These were things I created that I just uploaded as images and put into Canva. The call to action button, you get, click, there's your call to action. It was just an element I used. You click on the button and you can insert a link or edit the link. There's the link. You click on it and your link's embedded in that website. So it's automatically a scroll through page. You don't have to go and design any of it. Can you see how it sits with different pages? If I wanted to go and add a new page to the website, I would add, it adds a page into it, and I can go and edit a new content into that website. So I can add another product page. As easily as you put it in, you can delete the page with the delete button, the add button. Or you can duplicate a page and then just go and change the headings, change the background image, change the text, whatever you might want to do. Then down, down, down. So you can see I've got call to action everywhere. Call to action, embed links. Again, you just go in to insert a link, to send it to other websites. At the bottom, if you want to add your social media, embed link. You embed Facebook link, you embed your Instagram link, your WhatsApp link. There's the WhatsApp me link. So people go directly to the WhatsApp. I'm sure you can see that this is just beyond easy. When you finish your design, you publish your website, but I want to show you this. Look at preview. Can you see at the top here, you've got the desktop version and the mobile version. Look at this, how beautifully this shows on mobile device. Can you see this? See why those call to action buttons are so big. How incredible is that? What a beautiful mobile website. I don't think many web designers can design a mobile website this beautifully. The booking form has to sit somewhere. Can't embed an integrated link. But for example, you could create the booking form on your email service provider, like MailChimp, is so good at landing pages, booking forms, opt-in forms, subscription forms. I create the opt-in form on MailChimp because it looks nice. So the booking form on MailChimp, put the link into this, but you could also put your WhatsApp. So the uses of this thing are it's just crazy when you open your mind to the many ways you can use it. But for e-commerce, as I said before, that is a problem, and therefore, single page website, you need to do the pay fast subscription because you've got to get all the banking stuff set up, obviously, get it linked to your business account. And then it's unbelievable. It goes into pay fast and you go into your pay fast to get it transferred, and pay fast charges 3%, which is fantastic, 100% secure because it's on pay fast. And by the way, PayFast enables Yoko and all the other payment methods, so people can pay with whatever they want. If you go and look at my product page on my website, if you have this kind of thing as your home page, so there are all the products, there is the link to go and buy. Finished and klar, it sends you to PayFast. So for example, let's find a font. So I'm editing that font, okay? If I go into that font, and my brand style is in there, it gives me the fonts I've already added for my brand kit. So then you can click on that, it changes it, and it gives you the option to change everything in the template to your style. Can you see that clearly? So you click on what is in the template. If you've got your brand style in, you've got your different fonts. The minute you click on it, you can choose your font and you can change the font across the templates. And when you start with your color, you see there's the color. When you go into a brand template, you can shuffle the colors. Can you see that? Because that's my brand template, it shows my design with the colors changed. How amazing is that? And once your brand kit is in there, you can edit any template. Spend the time creating one template. Can you see why brand kit is your first step? This brand kit is absolutely critical. Once you go into your brand kit, you get to add your logos, you get to add your colors, you get to add your fonts. And as soon as you've got that saved, you just bring it into your design. It'll take you a little bit of time because you've got to upload everything. You've got to get your colors right and your logos and all the different logos and choose your fonts and so on. But once it's done, that's why my PowerPoint presentations are so easy to do. I did today's PowerPoint presentation in 15 minutes because I got the brand kit. It is really, really easy. You know how to create posts. Just compile those 6 components that I mentioned. Put them in a folder. Write the copy out that you want to write out. Get ChatGPT to help you with your USP or whatever. Have it all written out so you can copy and paste it. In there, choose website, look at the templates. Use the simplest template you can find because you can add to it later. Don't use the most beautiful one, the Rolls Royce. Use the simplest template you can find because it's enabled for the website. That's why I'm saying it. The pages are the right size and the whole thing without re-engineering. Then just quietly sit there and create 5 pages. Do your first page with your headline and why they need you. The second page, add whichever properties you want listed now. Add some testimonials, add your contact details. Imagine all the opportunities, like for a Valentine's special. You know, we wait for our webmaster to put stuff on our site. So many of my clients go, I'm waiting for my webmaster, and I'm going, why do you need to wait for your webmaster? Luckily, I don't. So my webmaster is unbelievable, but quickly, go and do it on Canva. There's your link. There's your promotion. Thank you.